Hello everyone, today I'm going to quickly show you guys this Hot Wheel race truck. It is really nice, cool toy. We've been playing with it so long. It's been, I think, with us over 2 years now, if I don't remember wrong, and we are having a lot of fun. And it operates really easy. My kids can operate. We are gonna demonstrate right now. Here you would press this and continue pressing will show how fast this turns, and if you spin too fast like this, it will turn into red and it will tell you how fast it is. So once you do that, you can just push the car and you will see how fast they can go and they can race. So it depends. If you keep pressing, as you can see now, it will continue circling and it will just if it gets slowed down here, it's going to slow down. It's going to slow down and it's not gonna make the full loop, and it's gonna go back. Or sometimes if you let it go too fast, sometimes it just flips the car. And it has some nice color car lights here. As you can see here, it's just going super fast, and it is compatible with other cars. This came with, I think, one car. It came with one car, and you can see here we have different ones here, and we are also able to use it here, and they are providing really good fun family time. And you can try to run them one by one and see if you can race. So let's see if you can do that actually. So as you can see, sometimes when you do that, it just one of them just fail on the road because it doesn't get the full speed, but it's still providing a lot of fun. We really like this. I hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching.